Hi there everybody, it is time for our October local events video, and it's really nice to be back in the swing of things. We didn't get a chance to do September because life got crazy for us. It's an excuse, please forgive me for it, but I'm just so excited about October. October is my favorite month, and I love the color orange. So what we're going to do is we're going to highlight 3 to 4 local events that are family friendly and either no cost or low cost for you guys. So we've got the Lakeland Winter Haven area we'll go over first, then the Tampa area, then the Orlando area. So in the Lakeland area, you've got the pumpkin patch at First Presbyterian Church in the Highlands. That actually begins on October 6th at 9 a.m. and is going to probably last till right at Halloween. Sorry about that. You also have Noah's Fall Festival, which is October 19th from 4 to 8 p.m. The Bartow Halloween Parade and Carnival is on October 24th. You've got the Mulberry Harvest Festival, which is October 26th. And then this one I thought was really cool. Trunk or Treat, hosted by the Lakeland Fire Department, is October 28th, and that's from 5 to 8 p.m. Keep in mind the details, the timing for each of these events you can see on our local events page. So that's Lakeland. We're going to quickly go over Tampa's local events. You've got a Movie on the Lawn event hosting the Captain Marvel movie, and this is actually with Moffitt Cancer Center. I think that's so cool. So that's going to be October 7th, of course, in the evening. You can climb the lighthouse at Anclote Key State Park. That's just really neat. I've never been there, so that totally interested me. That's October 12th in the morning. You also have a free kids fishing clinic derby. And for those of you who may not know, we are very outdoorsy, love to be outside, love to fish. So the thought of kids learning how to fish, I think, is amazing. And what's also really neat about this is that every child that registers in advance and actually attends will receive a free rod and reel combo, as well as a starter tackle kit. So I think that's cool. And then you have Fall Harvest Days at Keel Farms, and that actually takes place on the 26th of October. Finally, we have Orlando. So Santa's Farm is opened, and that's a huge pumpkin patch. It actually opened on the 28th of September and is open until the 27th of October. You have a Southwest Fall Festival. Yes, of course, I'm looking at my notes. A Southwest Fall Festival, which is on October 24th. You also have the 35th annual Mount Dora Craft Fair. Mount Dora is just a beautiful, quaint little town. If you've never been there, oh my gosh, it's awesome. That is October 26th and 27th. And then a family fall festival in Winter Park is actually on Halloween, October 31st. So that's a quick review for you of our local events for October. Enjoy this amazing weather because it's actually gotten a little bit nice, and look forward to seeing you guys in October. Please remember, if you have any local events in any of those areas that you would like us to feature on our local events page, or even potentially on our video, please send them to me, Cindy at the Reina Team, and I spell my name CYNDI at thereinateam.com. See you in November. Bye.